Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated supercars of the future, the 2026 Ferrari F80. Ferrari has always been known for pushing the limits of performance, design, and innovation, and the F80 looks set to raise the bar once again. This model is being positioned as the successor to the LaFerrari, a hypercar that already redefined what was possible when it came to speed, hybrid technology, and exclusivity. With the F80, Ferrari aims to blend futuristic styling with cutting-edge engineering to deliver a driving experience that feels years ahead of its time. Let's break it all down and take a closer look at the interior, exterior, pricing, safety, and performance of the 2026 Ferrari F80 to see why this car is already being talked about as a game-changer in the world of supercars. Starting with the exterior, the Ferrari F80 is nothing short of breathtaking. Its design is futuristic yet unmistakably Ferrari, with aggressive aerodynamics sculpted into every curve of the body. Ferrari has incorporated active aero systems that adjust in real time, improving downforce at high speeds and reducing drag for efficiency when cruising. The front end features a sharp, low-slung nose with razor-thin LED headlights integrated seamlessly into the bodywork, giving it a predator-like stance. Large air intakes dominate the sides, channeling air efficiently into the hybrid powertrain and cooling systems. The rear is equally dramatic, with a race-inspired diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and a thin LED light bar stretching across the width of the car, emphasizing its wide and planted stance. Made primarily from lightweight carbon fiber and other advanced composites, the F80's exterior is designed not only for beauty but also for speed, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimum weight. Inside the cabin, Ferrari has kept the focus firmly on the driver while also offering modern luxury. The interior of the 2026 Ferrari F80 is futuristic yet minimalistic, with a strong emphasis on high-performance ergonomics. A fully digital cockpit dominates the view from behind the wheel, with a customizable instrument cluster and a central touchscreen that provides all necessary information at a glance. Ferrari has ditched unnecessary clutter in favor of sleek touch-sensitive controls and steering wheel-mounted functions, giving the driver an F1-inspired experience. The seats are ultra-lightweight racing buckets, upholstered in premium leather and Alcantara, designed to hold the driver and passenger firmly in place during high-speed cornering. Despite its racing DNA, Ferrari hasn't overlooked comfort. The F80 offers high-quality sound insulation, climate control, and even a premium audio system for those rare occasions when the driver isn't listening to the roar of the engine. Space is limited, as expected in a hypercar, but every inch of the cabin reflects luxury and precision craftsmanship. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ferrari F80 truly stands out. At the heart of this beast is a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbo V8 engine with advanced electric motors. This setup delivers an astonishing 1,200 horsepower, pushing the F80 into the ranks of the world's most powerful production cars. Ferrari's engineers have focused not only on raw power but also on creating a responsive and engaging driving experience. The hybrid system offers instant torque from the electric motors, while the V8 provides the spine-tingling soundtrack and high-revving excitement Ferrari is known for. With this combination, the F80 is capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.3 seconds and can reach a top speed of around 300 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars ever produced. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction, while the lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission allows seamless gear changes. Ferrari has also incorporated advanced suspension technology, torque vectoring, and a lightweight chassis that ensures the F80 handles like a race car on both road and track. Safety in the Ferrari F80 has been designed to match its extreme performance. Ferrari understands that a car capable of reaching such incredible speeds must also be equipped with the latest safety technology. The F80 features advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane monitoring, blind spot detection, and emergency braking. However, unlike mainstream cars, these features are tuned specifically for high-performance driving, ensuring they work seamlessly without interrupting the thrill of driving. The carbon fiber monocoque chassis provides exceptional crash protection, while multiple airbags and advanced electronic stability systems help keep the driver and passenger safe. Ferrari has also integrated advanced telemetry systems, allowing the car to monitor itself in real time, ensuring everything from tire pressure to battery health is always optimal. Pricing for the 2026 Ferrari F80 reflects its exclusivity and performance. Ferrari has confirmed that the F80 will be produced in extremely limited numbers, making it one of the rarest hypercars on the market. Early estimates place the price tag at around $2.50 to $3 million, depending on customization and specifications. As with previous Ferrari hypercars, buyers will likely need to be long-standing Ferrari clients with proven loyalty to the brand to even be considered for ownership. This exclusivity, combined with its groundbreaking performance, ensures the F80 will be an instant collector's item and could easily appreciate in value over time. Overall, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting hypercars of the decade. It combines Ferrari's rich motorsport heritage with future-forward technology, delivering a car that is as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. With its jaw-dropping exterior design, futuristic interior, mind-blowing performance, and cutting-edge safety features, the F80 is more than just a car, it's a statement of what the future of high-performance motoring looks like. Ferrari has always been about passion, innovation, and speed, and with the F80, they've managed to create something that feels truly ahead of its time. For those lucky enough to own one, the F80 will not just be a vehicle but a piece of automotive history, a machine that represents the pinnacle of Ferrari's engineering genius. And for the rest of us, it remains a dream car, a symbol of what happens when performance, luxury, and technology come together in perfect harmony.